Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of sensitive skin and the common mistakes that can cause irritation. If you've been struggling with sensitive skin issues, this video is a must-watch. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to unveil the top skincare mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get started.
Mistake number 1. Using harsh cleansers.
One of the biggest mistakes people make is using harsh cleansers that strip away the skin's natural oils. This can leave your sensitive skin feeling dry, tight, and irritated. Instead, opt for gentle, fragrance-free cleansers specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Your skin will thank you.
Mistake number 2. Over-exfoliating.
Exfoliation. It's great for sloughing off dead skin cells, but it can be a nightmare for sensitive skin if done excessively. Over-exfoliating can lead to redness, inflammation, and even micro-tears on the skin surface. Stick to a gentle exfoliation routine, no more than once or twice a week, and choose products with mild ingredients like jojoba beads or lactic acid. Mistake number 3. Ignoring patch tests. When introducing new skincare products into your routine, it's crucial to perform a patch test. Many people skip this step and end up regretting it. Patch tests help you identify any potential allergic reactions or sensitivities before applying products to your entire face. Take a small amount of the product and apply it to a discrete area, like behind your ear or on your forearm. Wait 24 hours and check for any adverse reactions. It's a simple step that can save your sensitive skin from unnecessary irritation.
Mistake number 4. Skipping moisturizer.
Believe it or not, skipping moisturizer is a common mistake, especially for those with sensitive skin. Moisturizers act as a protective barrier, keeping your skin hydrated and reducing the risk of irritation.
Look for moisturizers labeled fragrance-free and hypoallergenic to ensure they are suitable for sensitive skin.
Don't forget to apply it morning and night for maximum benefits.
Mistake number 5. Using hot water.
Last but not least, let's talk about hot water. While a steamy shower might feel relaxing, it can wreak havoc on sensitive skin. Hot water strips away the skin's natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Instead, opt for lukewarm water when cleansing your face and body. Your skin will stay happy and healthy. And there you have it, folks. The top skincare mistakes that can irritate sensitive skin. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthier, happier complexion. Remember, take it easy on your skin and listen to its needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, keep pampering your beautiful skin.